So I'll put these hot hands on, guys, because it is cold. I want to give a shout out to Cast King for these bibs. These are extremely comfortable. I haven't talked about them, so I'm gonna take the time now to do it. But I really like them. These are the deflectors, I think. I believe that's what they're called, and they are nice. I also am gonna be throwing the Cast King Mega Jaw Elite today. Just got it as well, so gonna give it a try. But if you want to get any money off on that for the holidays, on top of what they're already offering, you can click the link in my site here and it will give you 15%. I think they even have 20% off. So all month you can do that, and even afterwards. And if you use my link, you know, obviously I get a little bit of a kickback for that, so that helps me out. So supports my channel, and I'm making no money off of this really, so you know, I'm just doing this because I was already doing it. Figure might as well strap a camera to me. But yeah, let's get out here in the water, guys. Like I said, we're gonna throw around a crankbait most of the day. I got bit on a spinnerbait up here a couple months ago as well, but we're gonna use this money badger in the blaze. All right, guys, about 3 minutes till line's in. We're going to start out throwing the old Berkley Money Badger. That's the 625 there. And this one, it dives about 10, 11 feet. We'll see. We may not need to dive that deep. This looks real shallow up here. I knew it was going to be down probably a few feet or more, but this is, when we fished it, it was about 3 or 4 feet below that tree line right there. And yeah, it is considerably lower than that now, so yeah, we'll have to just wing it. Might be, you know, I have to switch to the spinnerbait if it's a little bit of a shallower deal. I thought it would, you know, we'll see. I don't want to, you think it would be a deeper crank day, just, and the water clarity is great, by the way. I mean, it's clear, but it's not that clear. It's kind of stained a little bit, so I'm actually liking what I'm seeing. We got our alarm set for 3 o'clock, and we'll just see what we can do, man. $7:30, guys. Line's in. Sucking this jig up there. guys, we are going to probably move spots. It is 10:05. It's going to take me about 20 minutes to get back to the truck. Probably another 15-20 minutes to load up, so you're talking almost 11 o'clock. And then if we can get to another spot, probably about 11 something, unload. That gives us 3.5 hours to fish. But you know, normally I wouldn't do this, but I've fished up here for almost 3.5 hours now, and I haven't even got a bite. So I'm trying to, I mean, if I would have got bit or even a follow or anything, I probably would stay here, but because there's nobody here. But I haven't really even seen any fish activity. I've seen otters, I've seen eagles, I've seen, that's about it. You know, I haven't seen, and I'm sure when the sun comes up there might be some active fish up here, but the chances of them not being here are, I feel like they're higher than I thought they'd be. This water's extremely low, way lower than I anticipated. I thought it'd be 4 or 5 foot lower. It's a good 15 foot lower than when I was here a couple months ago. So yeah, swung and missed on this one, but I'm not going to give up. I am going to head back to the truck, load up, head back down to the lake, and finish this thing out. See if we can get 3. It's going to leave us with about 3.5 hours worth of fishing. If we can get the right spot, we might be able to make it work, but if not, we wasted an hour that I don't think would have mattered much anyway, to be quite honest with you. So yeah, we'll head up here and load everything up and head down the water. Alright, stick with me, man. We'll pick back up wherever we launch. Alright guys, we're launched. It is 11:43, so it's about 35-40 minutes to get down here from where we were all the way up the river. We're way down here on the lake now, and a spot I have some confidence in that we can get maybe a couple bites in a few hours here. So like I said, it's 11:45. We got it lines out at 3, so we got about 3 hours roughly before we, you know, because we're gonna start fishing. We got 3 hours to go, so just stick with me and let's see what we can do. Got a good one here, guys. I don't know how I didn't get that on camera, but nice fish, nice smallie. No. Let's get him on the board here. Besides the free. Pretty smallmouth. About 17 and a quarter, 17 and a half. It's a real pretty one. Another good one, guys. I don't know why this camera keeps turning off. I'm gonna have to change batteries. Thank you, buddy. Catching them all in the money badger, guys. It's been a thumper for me, and honestly, I've had no luck this morning. I wasted 3.5 hours up that river. Coming down here was probably what I should have done to begin with, but you know, when you fish history from 2 months ago, you don't get to practice. You think you got something figured out, and you know, it turns out, you know, what do I know? I might just circle this island since this is the only one we got bit on for the next little bit, but yeah, great sign. Let's check our line here before we. Those things are, I mean, pound for pound, some of the funnest fish to ever catch. Like that dude was 15 and a half. He was probably 2 pounds maybe, right under, and he'll dog you. He dog stomped that thing. Like, it was crazy how hard he hit that thing. I mean, with smallmouth, you don't have to worry about it loading up. It'll load up for you. You just gotta pull back. Just need one more. We're in 10th place. It is currently 12:46. It's safe to say coming down here was the right move. I doubt we'd even have a fish up there if we're not with just one, not even two. And we are one fish away from a limit with 2.5 hours left. A little under 2.5 hours left. So and we have somewhat of a pattern, and that's going around these bluff walls with the money badger. There's another one. I don't know if this one's very big. He's a keeper though. Safe to say this is the move. There's our limit. At least 12, I think. So that'll get us there. And then we're calling. It's 2.5 hours left, just like that. We're definitely keeping that crankbait locked in our hands. Another one right there. 14 and a quarter. See what we got him to touch, but another crankbait fish. I don't think he's gonna do it, but he might. He hit that thing like 3 times. Maybe a 15, we'll see. That's a 1.5 inch upgrade. All right, little buddy. There's probably 2 or 3 guys that are in this that I know for sure haven't uploaded their fish and won't upload their fish until probably at the end. So I wouldn't be shocked if we get pushed back a few spots, if not more. Well, our smallest now is 15 and a quarter. We got a 15 and a half and a 15 and a quarter. If we could catch a 18 to 20 incher through here, that would put us in a good spot. We really need to get rid of both of those fish with nicer ones, but 18, 20 incher would be what we're looking for. We'll take any upgrade, obviously, but I think we got hit like three or 4 times right there. I don't know if that was the same fish that hit that. Because I got bit and then I got bit again. I don't know if you saw that. And we'll go back and show the replay, but I felt like I got bit like 3 or 4 times. I don't know if there was a school of them there or what the case, but